today we will continue 6.6. We have done already up to 6.5. Let's start it. Now the topic is solving exponential and logarithmic equations. In solving it, we will find some variable values, right? So the first thing is, if you have exponential in both sides, a power x and this side is a power y. You can compare exponential only if the bases are same. If these a values are same, then you can compare the powers. If this term is same, if and only if x is equals to y. If x is equals to y, then a power x and a power y equals. So this is if and only if condition. So I am looking for the question number 1, a part 10 power x is 1 over 10 to the power x minus 3. There is a 100. 100 can be written as a 10 power 2. Power is x, so it becomes power 2x. Here is a 1 by 10, but I want something in a 10 power. So I write 10 power negative 1 and the whole power is x minus 3. The bases are same. Compare powers now. So it's 2x is equals to negative x plus 3. Add x on both sides. So 3x equals to 3x is 1. So you got x is 1. Okay. This condition. Here 2 power x is 7. We learned that how to convert exponential into logarithm and how to convert logarithmic into exponential. So this is what we have to compare, or we have to just convert it. So I'm writing by taking log with the base 2 on both sides. Log base 2, 2 power x. Log base 2 of 7. And the property log base a of a is 1. So you will get this is 1, only x will left here. X is equals to log base 2 of 7. Done. Okay. You can simplify it more, or if your calculator not allowing you to use this type of base, you can convert into natural log like log 7 by log 2. Or you can write log base 10 of 7 over log base 10 of 2. All will give you same answer. Next question. Next question is, it says you are cooking Aleka a Ethiopian stew. When you take it off the stove, the temperature is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The room temperature is 7 degree Fahrenheit and the cooling rate of the straw is R 0.046. How long will it take to cool the straw to a serving temperature of 100 degree Fahrenheit? Here we have to use Newton's law of cooling, and the formula will be provided to you in this question. And the formula is T, temperature. Capital T is a temperature, small t is a time here. T is equals to T naught minus T of R times e power negative R e plus T of R. T of R is room temperature. Room temperature. T naught is the initial temperature. Initial temperature. To substitute, what are the things you have? 212, 70, e to the power negative. R is the rate of cooling. It's a negative 0.046 T. And this is 70. I have to check when the temperature become 100 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature is 100 and we are looking for the time. E power, let's calculate. So 142. No? It's 142. Yep, 142. e power negative 0.046t. 100 and that is 70. 70, 100 minus 70, 30 and equals to 142 e power negative 0.046t. You can divide both sides with 142. 30 over 142 e power negative 0.046t. One side is exponential, another side is without exponential. I can convert this into logarithm by taking natural log both sides. Ln of 30 over 142 and this becomes negative 0.046t because I take natural log. So ln of e is 1. Okay. Then here if I calculate log of 30 over 142, let's calculate this. So we have to take log of 30 by 142. 42 natural log. Divide this thing with negative 0.046. So we are getting 33.79. E is 33.79. This is the time. Okay, we are getting the time here. So this is what you have to calculate. You are taking 33.76 time to cool down the temperature of the straw up to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, next question. Solve the log. You have a log here and log here. Here's the same log property will be used if you have a log of x and there is a log of y. The two things are equal if and only if x is equals to y. Okay. Is the units were provided? This. If it is even though not provided, we are taking the standard units for minutes. So 33.76 minutes. Here, the log property. Log of x equals to log y if and only if x is equals to y. Make sure x and y are non-negative and positive number greater than 0. Let's compare the first one. In this, log of 4x minus 7 equals to log of x plus 5 is given. Log are both sides, right? Then just compare it, the value. 4x minus 7 is equals to x plus 5. Subtract x on both sides. Add 7 on both sides. Divide by 3. 4. So x value is 4. When you calculate this value, make sure to check it satisfies or not. It is in the domain or not. What is our domain? Domain is the number. This total term should be greater than 0. And this term should be greater than 0. From this, x should be greater than negative 5. From this, x should be greater than 7 by 4. I am getting 4. So it satisfies the both domain. So answer is 4. Okay. Next question. Log base 2 of 5x minus 17 equals to 3. Logarithm term is given and the other side is constant. We cannot compare directly this. How? You can take 2 on both sides like this. 2 power or the formula. If I write the formula, the formula is a to the power log of a x. This will give you x only. So similarly, I am taking 2 to the power log base 2 5x minus 17 equals to 2 power 3. This will turn to 1. So you will left 5x minus 17 equals to 2 power 3, which is 8. Add 17 on both sides. So 25. 25 on both sides. Divide by 5. So x is 5. So check it. It is in the domain where 5x minus 17 must be greater than 0. So that means from here x should be greater than 7 by 5. Yes, we are getting 5 which is greater than 7 by 5. So x equals to 5 is the solution. Next, this question, you have a log here, but the right side is constant. One side is a 2 terms of log and the other side is without log. We will convert this into single log term using the properties of log. Here the addition property will be used, like log of x into y equals to log x plus log y. So let's see, log of 2x times x minus 5 equals to 2. Base is not given. If the base is not given, it means the base is 10. So 10 power log 2x times x square. You can multiply 2x square minus 10x equals to 10 power 2. This log 10 power log base 10, it's 1. 2x square minus 10. 10 power 2 is 100. You have 2x square minus 10x equal to minus 100 equals to 0. You can divide by 2 both sides. X square minus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. So factorize this. 10 5s are 50. 10 minus 5 is 5. X minus 10 is a 1 factor. X plus 5 is a 1 factor. From this, either x is 10 or x is negative 5. But see this, according to this, the domain is x greater than 0. And from this, x should be greater than 5. The answer is that satisfying the both. The term should be greater than 5 and greater than 0. So this is the only answer, and this is known as a extraneous solution. Okay. Now, see next. 3 power x is 20. So now we have an inequality. In a question of inequality, a power x is less than a power y, a is greater than 1. Then x should be less than y. Make sure a is greater than, because if a is less than 1 between 0 to 1, then condition is different. 3 power x is less than 20. We have to take log base 3 both sides. This will turns to 1, only x left. So x should be less than log base 3 of 20. Any condition on x? No, because 3 power x has a domain all real numbers. So this is the answer. X must be less than log base 3 of 20. We can calculate what is log base 3 of 20, or otherwise we can leave it up to this. This is the solution. Next is log form. So same, if you have a log x is less than log y, base is b. Make sure base is not 1. Then x can be less than y. Log x is less than 2. What do we have? Log x is less than equals to 2. I can take 10 power on both sides. 10 power log of x is less than equals to 10 power 2. This will turns to 1. X should be less than 100. Less than equals to 100. Up to this is done. Okay. Now check the domain. Log x. X must be greater than 0. And here you got x is less than 100. So the answer will be x is in between 0 to 100. So your answer is x is greater than 0 but less than equals to 100. This is correct answer. If you only write x less than 100, the negative numbers are included in this and function is not defined here. log of negative terms are not defined. So this is the answer. This is just a condition, upper bound for the given. Okay. I hope you understand. We covered 6.6 and we continue 6.7 in the next video. Thanks for watching.